Looking at this JVC compact VHS. Have a tape in it. Have the power on. Got the video connected to this monitor. But the video is dark. Very shady. I don't know how to get rid of, make it a better picture for recording. It's got these buttons. I hit shutter and it got worse. Hit full auto. It moves it. I don't know. I don't know what this stuff does. Focus far, near. So, we're going to try the play. Hit the play button. I don't know if there's anything on this tape. No, there is. It could be the tape. Fast forward does not seem to be working. Rewind worked a minute ago, but it's not working now. Hit play. Alright. This thing looks like it has issues. I'll try another tape. Put another tape in. First I used a head cleaner to clean the head. Now I've got another tape in there. Still not tracking right. I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't know. It does seem to be helping moving this tracking back and forth. TC30, I don't know what this does. SPEP. Alright, let's do this. Let's hit stop. Rewind. record button. It is recording. So I'm back to that screen, dark screen. Those are those ceiling lights 40 feet up in the air. So recording, this thing does a horrible job. Rewind. I guess it's stop. Oh, you gotta hit the record button to stop recording. Okay. And put it on. Play. Rewind. And then play. And stop. And then play. Alright, there it goes. This is what I just recorded. So, alright. I don't know if your tapes are going to play clear or if they're going to play fuzzy like that. I don't know the quality of this tape. I'll try it in another camcorder and see if I get the same results or if it clears up. And I'll post that.